Dear student, we have already seen the logarithmic differentiation process in theoretical part. For entrance exam point of view, we'll see what's the magic method to find derivative. Please watch this video till end for better magic trick. Let's start. So, my correct answer is x to the power x in bracket 1 plus log x bracket complete. That's it. Let's discuss the magic trick for entrance exam and all other competitive exams. The magic formula is d by dx of f of x to the power g of x equals to f of x to the power g of x inside the bracket g of x upon f of x into derivative of f of x plus log f of x into derivative of g of x. We'll see example d by dx of x to the power x to the power x inside the bracket x upon x into f dash x means derivative of x is 1 plus log x into g dash x means derivative of x which is 1, and we can calculate it becomes x to the power x inside the bracket 1 plus log x only, so it will be required one. Actually students, we already know standard formula for a raised to x e raised to x to the power n, but we don't have any formula for x to the power x, so we could not able to find derivative of such type of function like function raised to function. So overcome this difficulty, we can use traditional method called as logarithmic differentiation for written exam point of view, but for entrance exam and competitive exams you can remember this magic trick, because we don't have more time to solve such type of derivatives. Let's discuss the examples. D by dx of tan x to the power x, so equals to tan x to the power x inside the bracket x upon tan x into derivative of tan x which is sec square x plus log f of x means log tan x into derivative of x which is 1 bracket complete. Now simplify it, tan x to the power x as it is inside the bracket x into sec square x upon tan x plus log of tan x which is correct one. Dear student, please use this magic trick so that within 10 to 15 seconds you will get a required derivative. Let's see one more example. D by dx of sin x to the power cos x equals to, my correct answer will be sin x to the power cos x inside the bracket cos x upon sin x into derivative of sin x which is cos x plus write log f of x, that is log sin x into derivative of g of x, that is minus sin x bracket complete, and do some calculation. Sin x raised to cos x as it is, cos x upon sin x which is cot x into cos x as it is plus log sin x minus sin x becomes minus sin x log sin x. So student, Follow these magic trick for function raised to function type examples so that within 10 to 15 seconds you will get required derivative. Dear student, this method is very important for MHT CET, JEE NEET exams, AI and all other entrance exams. Like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.